Alright guys, we are looking at a train unit, 120,000 BTU, 80% furnace, sea width 40 inches tall, 4-inch flue, does appear to have a liner in place, 3-inch from the water heater there. It does have a powered 700 amp maple air humidifier on the coil here, which likely will remount. Power is coming from overhead here. Gas line on the left. Drains wrapped around the back, tied into the coil, and then it's just a floor drain here in front of the unit. The return is 14 by 24, angling over. You can reuse this, pull out the filter housing right there. It's about just not quite 9 inches, about 8.5 inches right there. Put in a 5-inch Aprilaire filter. Of course, 27 inches wide. You can see it's kind of offset to the right of that. Likely would be coming in with C width, possibly D width. Looks like there's some sort of comfort guard from Emerson, assuming that's tied into some sort of home monitoring device. It is a walkout basement right over here. Line sets, we should be able to flush and reuse, but those are going out right here. And then breakers at up to 40. And there's the exit.